This is just trying to get this up.
You know, mate?
Yeah. Going slowly. The tyre must be holding. I can see the dirt moving up there with your tyre.
Eh?
I can see your dirt moving up by your tyre. What a hole. That's a big hole.
Well, I'm going to try and see if I can drive through now.
Okay.
Get going and just keep going if I can.
You've got your tyre dip dug in the way.